shake because I don't want to like actually make breakfast. I have some editing to do, so I'm gonna just have this shake and edit some videos to get posted, and then hopefully maybe I'll have lunch with my friend because I'll have to see her, and then I'm gonna see her at 11, so maybe we can have lunch together this weekend, and the next couple of weekends to come are gonna be jam-packed. So I'm gonna have my little shake, and then I'm gonna do some editing and some laundry. That's the plan. I'm about to put groceries away, but I bought, of course, I bought something. I bought some stuff for the kids, but I got this little sweater. Is the Avia brand, and it was $13, I think. Yeah, $13. And what I really like about these, they're like lightweight sweaters, and with the slits on the side, I like to put these over like my workout sets. Today I'm wearing that set I got at Burlington. So this is from Target, from the Joy Lab brand. I got this last year, and I really like it. I like the really high slit on the side, and I just throw it on over like my workout stuff, especially for like carpool. But this was like close to $30, or like, I think this was like 25. So it was either 25 or 27-ish. And then this was 12. And I thought this was cute. It doesn't have the high slit, but it's a nice lightweight sweater you can just throw on over like a what? This is my outfit. We're gonna go to football. Good morning. It's 7:47 and I'm about to work out. I just got back from carpool, and I have a little shake that I'm trying to finish. And I just want to show you I'm wearing the little sweatshirt from Walmart that I got yesterday. This is part of the Amazon set. This little cream top with the cream shorts. But I threw that underneath. I'm going to work out with that right now. And so, actually not as oversized as the one I was wearing yesterday from Target, but this is what it looks like with the little slits. It covers up all the back end. And then this is pretty snug. The elastic part is pretty snug, but it's still long enough that if I want to pull it down and wear it like this, you could, like for warmth. Hello, it's 1:23 and I've done a whole lot of nothing. I'm editing a fall shoe picks. Yeah. My picks for fall shoes this year. Hopefully I'll get it done today so it can be posted tonight at some point. And I should be going to go get the boys here in a little bit. But I forgot to share this. I got some mail yesterday. And I got these shoes. So there's this girl I follow on TikTok who I really like her style. And she does a lot of thrifting. She always finds some really good stuff at the thrift store. But she had actually gone and made a TikTok. She made a TikTok about how she liked these Chloe boots that look exactly like these. These are like rain boots. And they came in a couple of different colors, but I really fell in love with the color. I have black, just regular Hunter rain boots. But I thought, how cute are these? And I went and looked at them too, the Chloe boots. But obviously they're designers, so they're really expensive. And I'm like, the rain boots, I don't think I'm going to do that. Well, then she made another TikTok and said that Miss Lola has these boots exactly the same. I'll post a picture of the Chloe boots. And so she said, if you buy them now, you should buy them now because you can get 40% off. And with some code. So of course I went on and bought them, and they're really big though. They're a size 6 and they're too big, so I'm gonna have to exchange them. So I have them here so I can get them prepped to go back because they're super cute, but they're too big. So yeah, that's the plan. Gonna finish editing and then head out the door to get the kids. Not much going on today. I was supposed to finish laundry and I haven't, so I'm gonna try to do that. Oh my, what did I get on there? Coffee? Alright, well this is my outfit. It's one of my favorite Walmart shirts that I've had now for over a year. And from Time and True, some leggings, and then these little sandals which I hardly ever wear. I don't know why. And then we're actually going to go to Grandma's house because she cooked some albóndigas. So we're going to go eat that. since Chloe has so much hair, I use this little thing to clean the couches. And it looks like I vacuumed the couch, but I didn't. Favorite chore, but it's done. Well, that and laundry. I have to do laundry. Alfredo brought me his lunch. Chloe, this is not for you. They had they bought him lunch at work, but his mom made some delicious sopes, which I'm gonna get with the boys when I pick them up. So he brought me this so he can go eat sopes. Looks delicious. Not for you, ma'am. Here is my outfit for today. I'm about to go pick up the boys. I threw on this Walmart shirt that I got from Walmart last week, and my little H&M shirt, my Old Navy shorts, and I had the booties on for a photo I took for Instagram, the booties that I got from Ross the other day, but it's too hot already. I shouldn't be wearing this. I did throw on the H&M silver necklace I just got with the silver earrings, and then I also put on this gold chain from Walmart to mix my metals because I just felt like it looked too plain and I want something thicker, and I like to mix my silver and gold together, but yeah, I hate this. So I'm doing two of my least favorite things today, dishes and putting away laundry. Oh, I hate doing laundry. This is so satisfying. Hello and happy Thursday. It's like 10:30. I just got myself together. I did work out today, hooray. But I actually haven't eaten breakfast, so maybe I'll do that real quick. And then I'm going to film. I want to just film a collective haul of items that I've recently bought from, oh gosh, she bit my knee. From items I recently got, well, you've seen on the vlogs that I recently picked up some things. So I wanted to share all of that in a YouTube video. And then I'm planning to do a fall lookbook. So I'm going to share all these items, and then I'm going to do a whole fall lookbook with all the things I've recently bought. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Here's homegirl. She was all up in the mix today, making it very hard to work out this morning, but I did it. I'm wearing this Amazon shirt and my H&M jewelry because I do want to share that on the video, so I just might as well put it on. But I'm wearing sweats and my house shoes, folks. Oh, and we got good news yesterday. I heard from Matt, which is our pool guy that we've been working with, that they approved our permits and they're about to get started in the back. So hooray, that means we're gonna get started soon to have a hole in the backyard and then we'll have a pool. Okay, I just finished filming and I ended up changing into this shirt, and I changed where I filmed because I filmed the entire video and I didn't like it, so I refilmed it wearing this shirt in my bedroom. And yeah, so I'm done filming now, and I'm actually gonna keep this shirt on with these little sweats. Don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet, but I'm gonna make myself something to eat for lunch, and then I'm gonna go get the boys. So I made myself leftovers from dinner the other night. It is chicken, zucchini, white rice, and a teriyaki sauce. And then I'm gonna put some sriracha on there. I think we need to clean Mantis, whatever this is. I almost feel like if we're really gonna keep him, we should probably put him in something else. He's super ugly. Okay, I decided to put sandals on, and these have like gold in them, so I decided to change my accessories. And then these little sweats are from Forever 21. I cut them. They're old. I think I got them last year, but they look kind of like dressy. They kind of look like wide leg dressy pants, but they're sweats. And then yeah, Why do you have that face? Because I put the camera on?
I'm really sorry. I tried.
What'd you do?
I went to the bench.
What do you mean you went to the bench? What does that mean?
I went to the bench.
In PE? But what does that mean?
I stayed there.
Aiden, what does it mean when you go to the bench? Look at these cool shoes. Stop, puppy. Stop moving your feet. Bench. What does that mean? In PE. Let me see your shoes.
What do you mean?
Let me see your shoes.
The bench.
Closer. Get closer to me.
Like whenever you let them club.
Sure. Do it. Do the thing. Do the thing with the arm. And then. Sure. I just got home from getting the kids, but I really just want to take a nap. And I probably say this to myself every time I come home from getting the kids, because I have to sit in carpool for an hour. An hour. So by the time I pick them up, like, I'm tired. And I feel like taking a nap. So I feel like taking a nap, and I may. That means the kids can't go outside and play, because then I can't watch them through the window. So I'm going to tell them no going outside, and I'm going to take a nap. We'll see. Tell me what happened.
My friend's house, and I got money.
Very. And happy Friday and October 1st. Today I have some errands to do. I actually let my hair air dry today because it is raining outside, or it was raining outside, and I just didn't want to fuss with it. I'm planning to meet with my friend tonight for dinner, so I'm excited to do that. I do have to put makeup on, but I don't want to put on makeup just yet. I will do it later today so it doesn't look all crazy by 7 o'clock. And then I gotta go to the post office. I gotta go to the grocery store. I really want to finish all the laundry because I don't want to do any laundry this weekend. So we'll see if I get that done. I've got some of it done. I have 2 more loads to do, so we'll see. But I did do my eyebrows. I look kind of crazy, but I'm just going to put a mask on so no one's going to see me. This side of my hair, you know, like if y'all have curly hair, you know, you always have one side of your hair that always looks better than the other. No? Or is that just me? So I'm going to put a little bit more water in it so it can get a little bit curlier. We shall see. Let's see what happens. I'm going to show y'all real quick how I get my hair to like curl, because my hair is wavy, not necessarily curly, but I can get it to look pretty curly if I put some good old mousse in it, and then I mix it with water. I don't just put like straight mousse in there. I put mousse in my hand and then put water on it, and then I'll get my hair to be kind of crunchy as it dries. But then I'll go in and then mess with it with my hand and then put more water, and then I'll just kind of do this and then dry it in my hand like this because I don't have a diffuser. Oops, my root's already dry. It's just the bottom that needed some help. So now it looks a little bit better. And then I bump it. I typically bump it a little bit with a curling iron. So I did a little bit on this side, but not too much. All right, I'm heading out. Oh my gosh.
She's running. She just tracks on. She don't want to wait when it gets gone. She can take that pain. She can get gone. She hurt anyone that gets. Ooh. Yeah.
Did he get him?
He didn't get him.
What the?
He's blind.
Manty?
You got the wrong one.
It's right there. You blind.
He is blind.
What the heck? No, he's not blind.
Oh,
Nice.
he helped him.
He's on back. Oh, I got you now.
You got it. Ooh. Good job. I was about to call
No
it
more,
nuts.
don't look at it. Ew, it's so gross.
Huh? What's that counterattack?
He's looking at it.
I'm all ready. I'm gonna go have dinner with my friend. This is what I chose to wear. It's still like rainy outside. And then I'm gonna do this one that I thought I didn't like, but I do really like. And this is the one that is inspired by YSL Black Opium. I'm actually ending the vlog for once. I never say anything, but it's Friday night and I'm home and it's late. And I'm gonna finish editing a video and hopefully get it posted tonight. That's it. And Alfredo's down here. His favorite spot in the house for some reason, the floor. Good night. See you all next week. Bye.